try this again. Yesterday in the video I was doing yesterday, I was talking about how I haven't gotten sick yet this year. Oh boy, it hit me during the night. I was running a fever and everything. So I guess my daughter, she's on a trip. Mom over here sick. Made sure that I took my diabetic medicine. It kind of feels like my sugar is levels up. But all I wanted to do was sit here and chit chat. Because everybody's gone for the weekend. They'll be back tomorrow. My daughter has a new love in her life. Yeah, problems with this last night. I don't get it. Right when I wanted to record, it just wouldn't stop. But it hasn't done anything today. I don't get it. Something was stopping me from recording. But I want to try to come up with some other ideas for scrap quotes. I know I see the ones on YouTube and everybody's doing the same thing. I want something different. Something different. I don't want to do crazy quotes. I don't have pieces like that. I have very small pieces and I have strips. Because I was doing that one quilt, so I purposely cut everything up that way. Excuse me. Alright. Let's yeah, I wanna find another way. I mean the strips, I could just go ahead use the strips for excuse me, for hexagons, because they're 2.5-inch strips. Don't want to know hexagon. I already got 2 working. I still have to make my daughters. I don't know. I have 2 big totes there of fabric that was cut into hexagons. I know what I do want to do. I might use a lot of this fabric for is I want to make another jacket for my daughter's um daughter, my granddaughter. Let's put it that way. It sounds retarded. My daughter's daughter, my granddaughter. Because the one I did make, you see those in the videos. Super scroll. It was too small. I never really finished it. The zipper still needs finishing in that. I never put a lining in there. Kind of regret that. You see the seams. So, I'm going to take it a different route. You know, put a lining. I don't have a serger that can finish those seams to make it look good. I know you could do it on your own sewing machine, but I ain't going through all that. Something easy. Yeah, I've been here since yesterday. Mm, Late afternoon, I believe. Everybody took off. Kids got off school. So maybe that's what I do. Use those smaller pieces. What did I do with that? I mean, you could do the raw edges, but I don't know if that would look good. I could do it like crazy quilting. Actually, it'll be a lot faster either way than making hexagons in doing each part of the jacket like I did last time. Enough hexagons to cover the whole of the jacket. Each pattern piece. You know what I mean? That's how I did it last time. I mean, it would have took me so long if I would just did it. It's like I don't work very well under pressure. It's good. There was a piece in here that was sticking out, but it got caught with the sewing, you see. And there you go. Hold on, I have to sneeze. Fooled me. I took my. Oh, I already told you that. I took my blood sugar pill. That's why I'm feeling even worse. I had to laugh about it. You know. Oh, I haven't gotten sick yet. My daughter always tells me, "You need to stop saying oh, every time you say something, it comes to pass." It seems that way. Is that it? Yeah. Okay. It's nice to being in a quiet house when you're not feeling smart. This together. Slept on and off all day today. I had a rough night. Then got this car. It seems like every night is parked behind my neighbor's house across the street. Beyond his house is the property to the closed down school. So all grassy area. What they're doing behind there, I have no idea. They might sit there. The other night, they had their headlights on. Went out there with the dog and I was looking over there. They must have seen me looking and they turned the headlights off. But they were out there last night. they pulled out the kids on the driveway or whatever you want to call it for the school to the street, and they just stood there with their headlights on for a minute. Then they decided to turn. And it was a run-down vehicle. Looked like it was like a dark gray. Can't really tell in the dark. I like doing these. These are pretty cool and it goes fast. Look how cool that looks. I wonder if what it would look like if I did top stitching like you would on a crazy quilt. Probably would look ridiculous. Oh, that one's done. Alright. So, I don't know. I'm gonna continue doing this. I gonna order some rulers. I seen Mr. They call him Mr. Domestic.